In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sprints in ClickUp using Google's guidance as a starting point. Now, whether you're a project manager looking to improve your team's productivity or simply interested in organizing your tasks better, this method is sure to come in handy. So let's dive right in and simplify the process of managing tasks. First off, open up your preferred web browser and head over to ClickUp's website. If you're not already familiar with ClickUp, it's a versatile project management tool that can revolutionize the way you handle tasks, whether individually or with a team. Once you're on the ClickUp webpage, it's a good idea to log into your account if you haven't already. Having an account allows you to personalize and streamline your project management experience. Next, we'll delve into the App Center. This is your gateway to a variety of integrations and features that can enhance your ClickUp experience. In the App Center, you want to look for the Sprints feature. If you're encountering this for the first time, consider it your control panel for agile project management, allowing you to break down projects into manageable time intervals or sprints. To find it easily, use the search bar and simply type sprints. Once you've located it, you'll want to toggle it on. This action activates the sprints feature and makes it readily available for your task management. With sprints now activated, it's time to tackle the setup. Head over to the Spaces section. Think of spaces as different folders or categories where you can organize your tasks and projects. Click on the plus icon within Spaces and select Sprint Folder. This is where the magic starts. You're now creating a designated space just for your sprint activities. Here, you'll give your new folder a fitting name, something descriptive yet concise that everyone in the team can easily identify. You can also define your measure of effort, such as story points or hours, decide on a start date for your sprint, and establish its duration. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. At this stage, you'll want to configure your sprint's closure settings. This means deciding what happens at the end of a sprint. Do you want to automatically mark the sprint as done? Maybe you'd like the system to create a new sprint right after? Or perhaps you'd prefer to move any incomplete tasks to the subsequent sprint. There's also an option to auto-archive old sprints once they've been completed, which helps keep your workspace neat. After reviewing these settings, click the Create button to finalize your sprint folder setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up sprints in ClickUp. This now allows you to manage tasks more efficiently, maximizing productivity and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.